Have you considered doing a detox or fast but didn't know where to start? Hi, I'm Kyle Colbert, and this is my dad, Dr. Don Colbert, and we want to invite you to our 7-day detox challenge.
You see, a 7-day detox is a great way to identify foods that you may be sensitive to. It's also a great way to shed a few pounds, and you can even believe God for a spiritual breakthrough in your health. And it's easy to do, it's simple, it's short, and it works.
And when you join, you're going to receive easy-to-follow recipes, articles, and also access to our private Facebook community group.
And for many of our participants, it becomes a powerful way of spiritual breakthrough, a chance to reconnect and renew not just our body, but also our mind and our spirit. Click the link and join our free 7-day detox challenge, and you'll be encouraged of what can happen in just 1 week. And if you're feeling better and want to keep the momentum going, many participants take the next step with our 21-day detox challenge or our 21-day keto zone challenge.
So let's restore, renew, and rebuild our health.